Hey, okay, so we just checked into the Shangri-La in Paris. Please excuse my hair, it's a mess because we had to get up at like 5 AM this morning. So I washed it last night and then went to sleep with it wet and it just did not end well. Anyway, so we have an Eiffel Tower View room. This is the little entranceway, it's a doorway, and then you've got the cupboard space, drawers, and a mini bar here with a coffee machine, and in the mini bar you get complimentary water, and then there's obviously tea and coffee, and then here are the big safe and kind of drawers, and then wardrobe space here. And then you come in and focus. There's this incredible vase that I just want to take home with me, and then the desk area, and then the beds, TV, little seating area, and then we've got some champagne and fruit and macaroons, and here is the view from the bed. Say what? I think that's the most incredible hotel view I've ever seen. And then you can even see I think that's the top of the Pantheon over there. And then through here is the bathroom. So you've got the shower and toilet through there. And then in here you've got the Bulgari toiletries. And then here is the view from the bath. And then dressing gowns. And then back through here. So you've got remote control for all the light. You've got plug points everywhere near the beds. And that's about it really. So I will leave you with this view of the Eiffel Tower.